Hi guys, so it is Monday and I haven't done my weekly spread. I am uber grateful that I have this kit that is just sitting there. I purposely left it in my little letter organizer because I knew I wanted to use that kit again. I actually bought two of these for the most part. Like, I didn't get two of everything, but most of it I did. And it's just like my favorite kit ever. So I'm just gonna do that again this week, and I think that's gonna make a difference, and just getting it done, because I actually have a lot going on this week. And then I do need to use those, the white papers. I am going to film a video on those, but it requires setup. So I need to do all the parts beforehand before I can come and do a tutorial. So this is a great way to recycle for your planner. Just with scraps left over from making your inserts, and just to make really cute but functional things. And my sister found this at Marshall's, and that was on the East Coast, and I live on the West Coast. I saw the photo and I immediately ran out, and I purchased this from my local TJ Maxx. Now, I am still looking for really good storage solutions. And this is probably my favorite company, or one of my favorite companies. I have a couple. The brand is Kestrel, and here is the tag for this one. And this is what this looks like on the inside. This one, that's something I bought separate, and I like this, and I like that it's plasticky. It's made for makeup brushes, but you could put a pen in there and not worry about it leaking. So yep, that's the tag for that one. I think that this is not going to just look good, but be really functional for right here in this space in my planner cart. If it works out, I will come back and do a full video on that. I don't want to share too much about what I'm going to do with it, but yeah, I'm thinking of building kind of like a kit. So yes, you can come back for that. And then I just I have those things. I keep bringing the water upstairs. I don't actually like the taste of that, and I think it's stupid expensive, but we're gonna do shake and find, you know, those with the little prizes inside, with all the beads to find the object. We're gonna do that for my son's preschool class. Every parent does an activity, so that's gonna be what I do. And I just laid those out because I am going to start doing the My Playful Mess again, and I do have to print out some photos, so I'm just trying to find a few really cute frames, because I don't want to waste photo paper. And I've put some of those away. I've decided what I'm going to do is just kind of leave them out on that desk because they're not hurting anything, and as I find uses for them, put them away. But if I keep everything out where I can see it, then I know what I have. So yeah. And then yeah, just more of those. And I'm trying to I'm taking things out of those big blue, the blue divider cases, and putting them back in and all that. So yeah. And I'm weird and just sitting in my chair because I have my son in here. And he is planning. I'm going to try not to move this too quickly. I decided I had enough to do almost the whole front of this. So I decided, you know what, let's just do it and see what happens and what it looks like. I ended up liking it, and I think it's going to look even better once I put the metal faceplates on it. I'm not going to do the side, but I like the way that looks. I don't know, it's fun for me. And then yeah, all that stuff needs to still get sorted. The naughty stick. And yeah, the command hooks I had, they just keep falling. So I'm going to have to figure something else out. Kind of already have an idea of what I want to do. I just need to get on it. Yeah, so sorry for any background noise. That is my son. That's just got to get tossed in the recycling. And I am actually going to open that and use that to do a shelf. I'm going to do a couple of shelves in there, which is my collectibles. And I love Remint. Super cute. So yes, I need to get to work because it is Monday afternoon and we are super behind, right buddy?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So
it's so guys, that's why why it's so guys is because I'm here for the sleep.
Oh, it's so quiet because you fell asleep? Oh, okay. If none of you understood that, you're not alone. So yeah, oh yes, I wanted to mention, because a lot of people kind of went crazy for my space, and I have like shawls and stuff here, and this is just like simple acrylic yarn that I bought at Michael's. When I am like trying new squares, I have, where did they go? Of course, when I'm trying new squares, I just keep one square and I'll use them as like coasters, and it works fine. I have like one hidden over there, and I don't know where the other ones went, but I have a few like really pretty squares. So yeah, when I'm test driving them, I do that, and then I save them, and I'm actually just going to start making squares just like for fun, but then I'll put them together in a blanket so that I have like a few nice things for my space, because I do stuff like sit on the floor, and my son, he's on the floor right now, so yeah, to me it makes sense to have like a few like cushy blankets and stuff like that. And I'm like, I have the window open. I'm always either too hot or too cold in this room. There is no happy medium. So yeah, I'm gonna make a few more things, and when I do, I will share those as well, and I'll of course share the patterns and that sort of thing. But yeah, as always, questions, comments, leave them down below. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe if you want to see more. All right, bye.